This video is going to help you learn about remote sensing with cloud-based resources. It complements our textbook that was published in April of 2020. So first we're going to look at SentinelHub in the EOBrowser. It's a complete archive of numerous remote sensing data. But first you should log in so that you have all the benefits of this SentinelHub EOBrowser. And if you want to learn more about EOBrowser, which I strongly encourage you to do, there's a series of videos by the group that built the SentinelHub EOBrowser, Synergize. I just have a few slides describing them. They're based out of Slovenia, very talented group. You can see the different focuses that they have on their web page. This is the SentinelHub that they built and their new offerings. And what happened is Planet, which is a very large commercial satellite company, bought Synergy's business. And now they have this SentinelHub, and they're using it for their Planet Insights platform. A remarkable contribution EOBrowser makes is to education with this toggle. So you can see it says, please select the theme. So we go, okay. I'll do floods and droughts. And then you say, well, what about floods and droughts? This doesn't work. You go to highlights, and let's say we want to see drought and up it comes. It's amazing. All this information available instantaneously. We go back to discover floods in Madagascar. Go back to discover. Go back to another theme. Let's say geology. It's just a great contribution to learn about remote sensing. We're in the Grand Canyon, false color. Geology, it's incredible. The true color penetrating the water. If we go to false color, far less penetration. And if we go to the infrared, short wave, it'll just be black. The shorter wavelengths penetrate the clear water. So I'll leave it at that. Just truly an amazing tool that these people have put together. Slovenia,